Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden thread that connects all religions? A secret society that holds the key to bridging diverse spiritual traditions? Welcome to the fascinating world of Rosicrucianism, an ancient mystical order that seeks to uncover universal truths and promote spiritual enlightenment. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore the origins, beliefs, and enduring legacy of this enigmatic society. Join us as we delve into the history and philosophy of Rosicrucianism, revealing how it continues to inspire and guide seekers of wisdom across the globe. Rosicrucianism is a spiritual and cultural movement that emerged in the early 17th century. It is rooted in Western esotericism, a tradition that encompasses mystical, alchemical, and philosophical practices. The name Rosicrucian is derived from the Latin words rosa, ros, and crux, cross, which are key symbols representing the order's core philosophy. The rose symbolizes the unfolding of spiritual knowledge, while the cross signifies the intersection of the material and spiritual worlds. At its heart, Rosicrucianism seeks to achieve a deeper understanding of the universe and humanity's place within it. The movement emphasizes the pursuit of spiritual wisdom and the realization of inner potential. It also promotes the idea that all religions contain elements of universal truth, advocating for the unity of all spiritual paths. The origins of Rosicrucianism are shrouded in mystery and legend. The movement is said to have been founded by a mythical figure named Christian Rosenkreuz. According to the Fama Fraternitatis, an early Rosicrucian manifesto published in 1614. Rosenkreuz was a learned man who traveled extensively in the Middle East, acquiring esoteric knowledge from various mystical traditions. Upon his return to Europe, he founded a secret society dedicated to sharing this wisdom and advancing human enlightenment. While the historical existence of Christian Rosenkreuz is debated, his story serves as a symbolic foundation for the Rosicrucian movement. The early Rosicrucian texts, including the Fama Fraternitatis, the Confessio Fraternitatis, and the Chemical Wedding of Christian Rosenkreuz, outline the principles and goals of the order, emphasizing the pursuit of spiritual knowledge and the transformation of society through enlightened wisdom. In the 17th century, Rosicrucian ideas spread rapidly across Europe, captivating the minds of scholars, alchemists, and mystics. The publication of the Rosicrucian manifestos sparked widespread interest and speculation, leading to the formation of various groups and societies inspired by Rosicrucian principles. The movement's emphasis on hidden knowledge and spiritual transformation resonated deeply with those seeking alternatives to the dogmatic religious institutions of the time. The influence of Rosicrucianism extended to the Enlightenment, a period marked by a flourishing of intellectual and philosophical exploration. The movement's ideas contributed to the development of modern scientific thought, as well as the rise of other esoteric traditions, such as Freemasonry. The quest for hidden truths and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment became central themes in the intellectual landscape of the era. The core beliefs of Rosicrucianism revolve around the pursuit of spiritual wisdom and the realization of one's inner potential. The movement emphasizes the interconnectedness of all religions, recognizing that each spiritual tradition contains elements of universal truth. This belief in the unity of all spiritual paths is a cornerstone of Rosicrucian philosophy. Rosicrucian teachings often focus on the process of personal transformation and the attainment of higher consciousness. This journey involves the purification of the mind and spirit, the acquisition of esoteric knowledge, and the realization of one's divine nature. Through meditation, study, and introspection, Rosicrucians seek to unlock the mysteries of the universe and achieve a state of spiritual enlightenment. Symbolism plays a vital role in Rosicrucian teachings, with the rose and the cross being the most prominent symbols. The rose represents the unfolding of spiritual knowledge and the blossoming of the soul, while the cross signifies the intersection of the material and spiritual realms. Together, these symbols encapsulate the essence of Rosicrucian philosophy. Rituals and practices in Rosicrucianism are designed to facilitate spiritual growth and the acquisition of esoteric knowledge. These practices often involve meditation, visualization, and the study of sacred texts. The rituals serve as tools for inner transformation, helping individuals connect with their higher selves and the divine wisdom of the universe. One of the central tenets of Rosicrucianism is the belief in universal truths that transcend individual religious traditions. Rosicrucians seek to uncover these truths by studying and integrating the wisdom of various spiritual paths. This approach fosters a sense of unity and harmony among different religious beliefs, highlighting the commonalities that connect all humanity. By recognizing the shared principles and values present in all religions, Rosicrucianism promotes a spirit of tolerance and understanding. This inclusive perspective encourages individuals to appreciate the richness and diversity of spiritual traditions while acknowledging the underlying unity that binds them together. Throughout history, Rosicrucianism has influenced religious and spiritual thought, inspiring individuals and movements dedicated to the pursuit of higher knowledge. The movement's emphasis on esoteric wisdom and personal transformation has resonated with many seekers of truth, contributing to the development of various mystical and philosophical traditions. Rosicrucian ideas have also played a role in shaping the broader landscape of spirituality, encouraging a holistic and integrative approach to understanding the divine. By bridging the gaps between different religious traditions, Rosicrucianism has helped to create a more inclusive and interconnected spiritual community. Today, Rosicrucianism continues to thrive through organizations such as the ancient mystical order Rosicrucis, AMOROC. These modern Rosicrucian groups carry forward the teachings and principles of the original movement, offering members a structured path to spiritual enlightenment. Contemporary Rosicrucian practices often include meditation, study of esoteric texts, and participation in rituals designed to foster personal and spiritual growth. Members are encouraged to explore the mysteries of the universe and to seek a deeper understanding of their own inner nature. Through these practices, individuals can achieve a state of higher consciousness and connect with the universal wisdom that transcends all religious boundaries. Rosicrucian organizations today have a global presence, with members from diverse cultural and religious backgrounds. This widespread appeal reflects the inclusive nature of Rosicrucian philosophy, which emphasizes the unity of all spiritual traditions and the pursuit of universal truths. The impact of Rosicrucianism extends beyond individual spiritual growth, influencing contemporary thought in areas such as science, philosophy, and culture. By promoting a holistic and integrative approach to understanding the universe, Rosicrucianism continues to inspire and guide seekers of wisdom around the world. The legacy of Rosicrucianism is one of profound spiritual wisdom and a commitment to bridging religious divides. Through its emphasis on universal truths and personal transformation, Rosicrucianism has contributed to the development of a more inclusive and interconnected spiritual community. The movement's teachings continue to inspire individuals to seek higher knowledge and to recognize the commonalities that unite all humanity. As we conclude this exploration of Rosicrucianism, we encourage you to delve deeper into this fascinating tradition. By embracing the principles of unity and spiritual enlightenment, we can all contribute to a more harmonious and understanding world. Whether you are a seasoned seeker or just beginning your spiritual journey, the wisdom of Rosicrucianism offers valuable insights and guidance for your path. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and philosophy of Rosicrucianism. We hope that this exploration has inspired you to seek greater understanding and to appreciate the universal truths that connect us all.